Hi everybody, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you another unboxing video, but this time it's not clothes or shoes, it's blind boxes. Blind boxes and other cute stuff that I got because I went shopping recently and yeah, I just couldn't resist myself, so yeah, let's open it together. I guess I'm gonna start with the only thing that is not cute stuff like plushie or anything like that or figure. I got this super cute starfish plate and it was only 129 NTD, which is super cool, and it has this design like a starfish. And yeah, I guess it's gonna be for my jewelry or stuff like that. And it's gold on the brim and on the inside, and yeah, super cute. I guess I'm gonna start with the things that I already know how they look like. So I got these two plushies. This one was 100 NTD and this one was 120. And if you've ever been to Japan or if you ever seen gacha machines, these are the type of things you can find in gacha machines, like in Japan or somewhere else. But I found them just like this. They were selling them just like this, so yeah, I decided to grab it because I already have some of them in my collection. First plushie is this cute little baby. It has a pacifier and it says baby on the bib, and you can put it on your bag or keychain, as a keychain or something like that. Super adorable. And here are all the plushies you can get. I got this one. I didn't see the yellow one and I didn't see the pink one. I think I only saw the brown one, white one, and the blue, I think. So yeah, they just look like this. Super cute. And the other one that I got, it was the only one left from this color. Oh my god, it's so cute. So it's a little cute blue bunny with a little bow on his neck, and it's so adorable. It has a cute little pom-pom on his back, and you can also wear it as a keychain or, you know, as a charm on your bag. And these super cute long ears are so adorable. I have a few of those in my collection. So here are all the ones you can get. I have this chicken and I also have another chicken in blue, but I don't know why you cannot see him here. But yeah, they had this pink bear and this blue bear and also this white one. But yeah, I decided to go with this one because it was the last one there and it was the cutest, to be honest. So I found some gacha machines on my way back, so I decided to grab two of these. And I'm gonna start with the heart one because it's a bracelet. I managed to finally open it, and on the inside is this cute bracelet. Yellow chicken! Yes, yellow chicken. So cute. Okay, so don't mind the tying up. I cannot tie the bow with my nails right now, but this is how the chicken looks like. I hope you can see. But yeah, it's just yellow, golden bracelet. Super cute though. And here are all the things you can get. I wanted to get this pink one or this turquoise one, but yeah. Oh well, this one is cute too, I guess. So that is that. Also got another keychain or bag charm, also from Gachapon, and it's a little koala. It is so adorable. Oh, so cute. So yeah, I got this super cute koala bear. Yay. There are like a few of these. And I mean, I think I got the best one, to be honest. Also, this white one is super cute, but yeah. I guess I'm happy with my luck today. This one is super cute. Another thing that I got are those, I'm not even sure if it's like pop bean from Mart. And I don't know if it's like a magnet or something, but here are all the characters. I hope you can see. Yeah, this one is super cute. Also the blonde one. Let's see what I got. Ah, okay. I got the orange one, which is also cute, but not my favorite. His name is Satyr Rory, I guess. Definitely not my favorite, but it's still cute. So yeah. So the next thing I'm gonna unbox is this Powerpuff Girls blind box, and I already saw it like everywhere. And here are all the characters. And I don't know, I want the fluffy ones, either like this Bubbles, Buttercup, or Blossom, but let's see what I got. Oh, it's crying Buttercup, sleepy Buttercup. I mean, it's fine, it's still cute. Still cute. And it has a little blankie. Okay, so it looks like this. It's cute. I definitely like the bunny ones the best. So. Oh well. Still nice, I guess. Got some stickers from Sonny Angels. I'm honestly impressed that I found them because I don't know, Taiwan never has like Sonny Angels, or they are always like sold out, so that's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna open the stickers, and I'm just like wondering, oh okay, they're like blank stickers or something, but they put this sticker on top of it, so I cannot really see. Okay, so here are like all the stickers you can get, I guess. So yeah, let's see what we got. I got the animals. I got these ones, which is cool. I wish I got the marine ones. They're so cute. Damn, today is not my lucky day. But it's still cute. I will show you like one by one. So we got the turnaround giraffe, cheeky koala, turnaround zebra, little hippo, little Leo, little Frenchie, which is so cute, elephant, a horsey, peacock I guess, special one of course, alligator, just a bunch of like random stickers like Sonny Angel, little heart, little wings, another mini version of Sonny Angels, and 2 pieces of those like small wings. So I mean that's cool, I guess. It's still cute. I'm gonna probably use it on my computer or something. But yeah. And the last thing that I got is of course new Sonny Angels dinosaurs. These are all the dinosaurs you can get. Also 2 of them are special. So I'm wishing for the Sonny Angel special. But also, so these 2 are cute. Let's see if I'm lucky this time. Oh! Is it the one I wanted? It looks green. Yes, the one I wanted. Yay! At least I got one I wanted, so. Hi! Super cute with those overalls. And it has a little tail in the back and some wings, of course. And the head is just a dinosaur. Yay! Super cute! Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. Let me know if you like Sonny Angels or cute stuff, cute plushies like this in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!